Hello again. I have to confess that back in the day when I started trading the stock market without much knowledge, how uncomfortable I felt every time I entered with a buy trade and the market turned in the opposite direction. Placing a stop loss was not an option for me as it hurt my ego. Does it remind you of something? I'm sure it does. Now, following the market with a short trade was not an option either, as that feature was not available in the stock market. Let me clarify something so we are all on the same page. To go short simply means to sell before you buy. Yes, you heard correctly. Sell before you buy. Now, say that we are analyzing the price chart and we identify the very early stage of a downtrend. What am I going to do? I'm going to short. I'm going to sell the market so I can benefit from the decline. A trader's job, and more precisely, a technical analyst's job, is to identify the direction of the trend at an early stage and trade in the same direction. If the market goes up, then we enter with a buy trade. And when the market is down, we enter with a short trade. So as you see, the forex market provides opportunities both in the upward and the downward. Let me give you an example before we wrap up. Say that after analyzing the Euro USD, I identify on the price chart the very beginning of an uptrend. It makes good sense to place a buy order so I can benefit from the rally. It is also easy to understand that when the market reaches the predetermined take profit level, that I am going to close the trade, which is equivalent to a sell trade. Now, as you see, I buy low and sell high. Let's see an example, an opportunity in a downtrend. After analyzing the market, I identify the very beginning of a downtrend. What am I supposed to do? I am going to short. I am going to sell the market so I can benefit from the decline. Now, it makes good sense that when the market declines to my predetermined profit target, that I am going to close the trade, which is equivalent to a buy trade. As you see, one more time, we buy low and sell high. The foreign exchange market provides opportunities in both directions, up and down. Stay tuned for more.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.